Hey guys, welcome to SocialNet. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how to change profile picture on your Messenger mobile. Your profile photo is one of the most important aspects of your Facebook account. But if your profile picture on Facebook was taken from your high school yearbook, it might be time to update it with a new photo. After all, a profile picture on Facebook is the first thing that grabs the attention of others. It also separates you from other users with the same name. So if you want to change your profile picture on Messenger mobile, you just need to watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to the Facebook app on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account so that your page will look something like this. Now go to the top right corner of the page and tap on the three horizontal lines. In here you can see a profile icon, tap on it. Once you are on your profile page, go to your profile picture and tap on the camera icon right next to it. Once you do that, you can see various options available in order to make changes in your profile. So if you want to change your profile picture, go to the upload photo option and tap on it. Or you can choose the photo you have previously uploaded to Facebook from a list of suggestions. Now choose the photo you want to keep as your profile picture. Now once you preview your profile picture and if you are satisfied, go to the update button and tap on it. By doing this, you will have successfully changed your profile picture on your Facebook app. Now let's go to Messenger app. Once you are on your Messenger, go to the top left corner and here you can see a profile icon, tap on it. Now in here you can see your profile picture has been changed and updated on your Messenger mobile. Your Facebook account and Messenger are synced, so once user changes the profile picture on Facebook through the app or browser, the photo on Messenger will automatically change. This is the easiest way to change your profile picture on your Messenger mobile. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.